Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was known to be charitable, generous. Whatever he had, he gave it. But in Ramadan, he was known to be even more generous. He was known to be even more generous. Where is our generosity? There's no motivation. The collections made at the masjid, not much different from collections outside of Ramadan. Collections for the masjid, for the place that we are praying. Why? Generosity hasn't been stirred. Hunger hasn't been felt. So it's just the routine. Okay, we have some money. When I was a Christian, I used to go to the church. My parents used to give us some coins. Put this in the plate. We're doing the same thing. Just a ritual. Let us renew our intentions today for the next week to the end of Ramadan, to turn this fast around and make it truly a fast for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let us experience the fast, the real fast for Allah's sake. One in which hunger pangs hit us. Hunger pangs which we rarely experience hit us every day and remind us to be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for what He has given us, and to be concerned about the rest of humanity who don't have what has been given to us.
La ilaha illallah.